Get ready because we've got some jaw-dropping leaks on the Red Magic 10 Ultra, Nubia's latest gaming beast that might just set new records. Let's dive into the specs, price, and launch date of this powerhouse. This device is turning heads in the tech world. Early benchmarks show it outclassing even Apple's M2 chip. It scored a massive 3,229 in single-core and a whopping 10,300 in multi-core tests. In short, it's built for serious performance. Mark your calendars, the Red Magic 10 Ultra, along with the Pro and Pro Plus models, is launching in China on November 13, 2024, and, thanks to tipsters, we've got a sneak peek at the complete redesign that's setting it apart from last year's Red Magic 9. This beauty will have a OLED display with a silky smooth 144Hz refresh rate and 1.5K resolution. Plus, it features a full-screen design with an under-display camera, no notches, no distractions. They're calling it the Wooking screen, and it's about to take immersive gaming to a new level. Powering all that is a massive 7,050 mAh battery, so long gaming sessions won't be a problem. Plus, with 120W wired fast charging, you'll be back in action in no time. And at the heart of this beast is Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite S processor. With this kind of firepower, the Red Magic 10 Ultra is shaping up to be the ultimate gaming machine. So, what do you think? Will the Red Magic 10 Ultra redefine gaming smartphones? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more epic tech updates. See you in the next one.